everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am doing another overseeding of poppies. So usually my time that I tell people to sow poppies is late November through the month of December. Today is January 2nd. We are 2 weeks since we had that huge polar vortex and a lot of plants got damaged, and I've decided that I'm just going to go ahead. I found a big stash of seeds that I have purchased from garden centers this fall, and instead of holding onto the seed, I'm going to go ahead and sow it, and we'll just see how it goes. This is a little later than what I think is ideal, but what do I have to lose? I have only to gain from the experience of trying, and maybe I'll make some of my beds really extra by putting out another round of poppy seeds. So for here in the wave bed, which is what I'm going to do right now, I am going to do an overseeding of California poppy, Eschscholzia californica. I'm going to concentrate it more along the edges because it will stay much shorter compared to the grains that are growing in the center. And we'll keep our fingers crossed that the seed will germinate and the wave will look so awesome during the spring open garden, which is Saturday, May 13th from noon to 4 p.m. All right. Let me show you how to scatter the seeds. So seed scattering is almost offensively easy. I'm going to pour a handful and I'm literally just going to sprinkle it right along these bare edges. I'm not even roughing up the soil, just leaving everything as it is. Fingers crossed the seeds will germinate. Well, everybody, I hope you'll stay tuned by subscribing to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel to watch the progress on this January sowing of California poppies. Over the coming days, I'm going to go ahead and scatter other poppies in open areas in the garden just to see how they perform with a January seeding. And I think we'll all be able to gain a lot of great information from this experiment. Well, I hope you'll give me a like for this video. Be sure to share it with your friends. And as always, thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. Happy gardening and happy seed sowing.